Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. See here what is written mensuration, surface area volume. So today we are going to discuss what is mensuration and what is surface area volume and what we will learn in this chapter. Okay, so let us see. So you can see here mensuration. Mensuration is a part of mathematics in which we learn, in which we deal with the perimeter, perimeter area and volume. So see here mensuration. Mensuration is a part of mathematics, mathematics in which we deal with perimeter, perimeter area and volume of closed figure, closed figure, closed figure can be plane figure, plane figure or plane figure or solid figure or solid figure. Okay, so see here mensuration is a part of mathematics in which we deal with the perimeter, area and volume of a closed figure or solid figure. Okay, so here first of all we will learn what is perimeter, what is area and what is volume. So see here perimeter, perimeter is the boundary length, boundary length of closed figure, boundary length of closed figure. Suppose I have made here triangle ABC. Suppose I have made a square ABCD. Suppose a rectangle is there ABCD. Suppose a circle is there. Okay. Then here perimeter, what is saying? Here boundary length of closed figure. So see here, these are the boundaries. AB, BC and ACs are the boundaries. Okay, suppose you are taking one thread and you are just measuring it like this. Okay, AB, then AC, then BC. Then you will see that some length of thread will come. Then you will measure the length of that thread. Then you will get the boundary length, and that boundary length is called as perimeter. So see here, perimeter, perimeter of polygon, perimeter of polygon. Okay, so polygon, as you know that what is polygon? Polygon is a closed figure formed by line segment. Okay, polygon means closed figure formed by line segment, line segment, and line segment is called as side. Line segment is called as side. So you can see here we whether it is triangle, whether it is square, whether it is rectangle, whether it is a pentagon. Okay, whether it is a pentagon, whether it is a hexagon. Okay, so these things are a polygon. You can see triangle is formed by line segment, that is called side. Square is also formed by line segment. Rectangle is also. Pentagon is also. Hexagon is also. Okay, so how you will calculate the perimeter of polygon? So see here, perimeter of polygon will be what? Sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Okay, sum of all sides. Now here we will talk about, here we will talk about perimeter of, perimeter of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Perimeter of equilateral triangle. So as you know that the equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all sides are equal. Then see here, suppose it is a triangle and whose sides are given A centimeter. Okay, means a unit is there. Then how you will calculate? So here what we had learned, perimeter of polygon is defined as sum of all sides. When you will take the sum of all sides, so see here AB plus BC plus CD, okay, in triangle. So here perimeter equilateral triangle will be what? A plus A plus A. So you can see here when you will add A 3 times, then what will come? 3A will come, and this can be written as 3 into side. This can be written as 3 into side. So here perimeter of equilateral triangle will be 3 into side. Okay. Now perimeter of square or rhombus, square or rhombus. Okay. So as you know that square and rhombus are both are same, but a little different is there. In rhombus, all angles are not 90 degree. In this, all angles square in all angles are 90 degree. Okay. So, but similarities with both have all sides same. Both have all sides are same. Okay. So you can see here this is rhombus and this is square. So square can also be said to be rhombus. Square is also called as rhombus because all sides are equal. Okay. So here we have to find the perimeter of square or rhombus. So see here four sides are there and four sides are equal. Then how you will calculate? You will take the sum of all sides. Then what will come? 4A will come, means 4 into side you will write. What you will write? 4 into side you will write. So here you can see perimeter of square or rhombus will be 4 into side. Okay. Now we will learn the perimeter of rectangle. So for writing the perimeter of rectangle, I have to erase. I hope you have noted down. Okay. Now see perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle, or you can say parallelogram, or you can say parallelogram. Okay. Then perimeter of rectangle or parallelogram will be, see first the figure. As you know that in rectangle opposite sides are equal. Suppose that one is length, then opposite side will also called as length, and other one is breadth, then opposite side will also called as breadth. Okay. Similarly, parallelogram also there. Suppose this is side A, then this will called as also A. This is B, then this will also B. Now see here how you will calculate the perimeter. You will add all sides. As you know that the sum perimeter of polygon will be sum of all sides. So here you will write what? L plus B plus L plus B. Then what will the L plus L? You will write like them together as you have learned how you will add the algebraic expression. So see L plus L, 2L will come, and B plus B, 2B will come. Means if you will take 2 common, then L plus B will be there. So see here, perimeter of rectangle or parallelogram will be 2L plus B, or you if we talk about rhombus, then 2A plus B will be there. Okay, so see here in this way, you will tell what is the perimeter of rectangle. So see here, I have written. Now let us see the perimeter of regular pentagon. So as you know that the pentagon is what? In polygon formed by 5 line segment. Polygon formed by line segment, and here regular word indicates that all sides equal. All sides equal will be. Okay. So you can see here there is a pentagon in which all sides are equal. Then Perimeter of regular pentagon, how you will calculate? Again, this is a polygon, and perimeter of polygon can be calculated by taking the sum of all sides. So here we will add the all sides, a plus a plus a plus a plus a. Then what will come? 5a will come, means 5 into side will be 5 into side will be. Now see, perimeter of regular hexagon. So as you know that the hexagon is what? Polygon formed by six line segment, and regular one indicates that all sides are same. Suppose we have taken A, then all sides will be A. Then perimeter regular hexagon again can be calculated by taking the sum of all sides. So here we will add A plus A plus A plus A plus A. What will come? 6A will be there. 6A means 6 into sides you will write. Okay, 6 into side you will write. So here perimeter regular hexagon will be 6 into side. Now, after this regular polygon can be regular septagon. Septagon means formed by 7 line segment. All sides will be same. So 7 into sides will be, and octagon is there. Then 8 sides will be. 8 into sides will be. Nonagon is there. Then 9 into sides will be, and decagon is there. Then 10 into sides will be. Okay. So here I am not writing the about the septagon and octagon. Just understand what is. Okay. So here a pentagon, regular, hexagon. See here. So you have to learn what is perimeter. So see here, perimeter is what? Boundary length. Okay. So here we have learned the perimeter of polygon. Now let us see the how you will calculate the perimeter of circle. Okay. So here I am going to erase. I hope you have noted down. Okay. Now see. Suppose we have circle. Perimeter of circle. Perimeter of circle is also called as circumference of circle. Perimeter of circle is also called as circumference of circle, and circumference of circle can be given as pi d. What? Pi d, where pi is constant ratio of circumference and diameter of circle represented by d. Okay, so pi will be what? Pi is that is pi is equal to c upon d will be. Okay, so it is the ratio, and its value is 22 upon 7 or 3.14 So see here, circumference of circle will be what? Pi d. Now, as you know that as d is equal to 2r, where r is radius, then circumference of circle will be 2 pi r. When you will put in place of d 2r, then this can be written as what? 2 pi r. So see here, circumference of circle in terms of r will be what? 2 pi r. So see here how you will calculate the boundary length of circle. Okay, and boundary length of circle is called as circumference of circle or perimeter of circle. So see here, in this way you will calculate the perimeter of figure, whether it is a polygon or a curved one. Okay, so see here, I hope you have understood and I hope you have noted down. Now I am going to erase, and I will tell about the area of a closed figure. Okay, so let us see. Okay, now see. Now area. Now area is what? It is region. It is region. Okay, region enclosed or covered by closed figure. Closed by closed by covered by closed figure. Okay, so suppose that I have made triangle here. You can see this triangle. This triangle. This this triangle has enclosed or covered the area of this much area of this board. You can see this triangle have covered this much area of this board. Then this region is called as area. This region is called as area. Suppose you have made a square. Suppose you have made a square, and this square, you can see this square have covered or enclosed the portion of this board, and this region is called as area of square. Suppose you have made a rectangle, then you can see this rectangle have enclosed this figure. Okay, they enclose the region of board. Then this much area is called as area. Now suppose I have made a parallelogram, then you can see this area is a of parallelogram. Suppose you have drawn a circle, then this circle have enclosed this region of board, and this region is called as area. Okay, so I hope you have understood the concept of area. Keyword is area. Now question is arises, how we will calculate the area. Okay, whether it is a polygon or circle. Okay, so here we will learn one by one. So now you can see here area of triangle. So first of all we will talk about area of triangle. Then area of triangle can be calculated as half into base into corresponding height. So see here, area of triangle can be calculated as by using formula half into base into corresponding height. Okay, now how we will learn here what is base and what is corresponding height. Base can be any side of triangle. So see here, base can be any side of a triangle. Means there are three sides, so any one side will be the can be called as base. Okay, now which side we will call as base. Okay, so see here, suppose a triangle is drawn. Now I have made a perpendicular line here. Okay, so on the side where a perpendicular line will be there, that is called height. So suppose this is base, this is height, then this is called as base. Now suppose I have drawn another triangle. Suppose I have drawn height on this side. Okay, then this will be called as base and this will be height. Suppose I have drawn a triangle and I have drawn height on this side, then this will be called as base and this will be height. Okay, so see here, half into b into h. B is base and corresponding height, and see height also called as altitude also. Another word used for the height is altitude. Okay, so see here how you will calculate the area of a triangle. Okay, now another triangle is there. Suppose a triangle is there, that is obtuse angle triangle. That is obtuse. This is obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. Okay, so in obtuse angle triangle, from this side height will be drawn from outside. Okay, so this will called as base and this will called as height. And suppose that if you have drawn a right angle triangle, so side which includes the means 90 degree include by the side, that is called as one of side will called as height or base. Okay, means this can also be a height or base, or this can also be height or base, because both side making 90-degree angle. 90-degree angle means one will be the height. Okay, so see here, in this way you will calculate the area of triangle. I hope you have understood. Now let us see. Now we will calculate the area of parallelogram. Now we will learn area of parallelogram. So here I am going to erase. I hope you have understood. Okay, now see, area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is defined as base into corresponding height. Corresponding height. Now see, suppose that this is the parallelogram. Okay, so as I have told here, the base can be any side of a triangle. So similarly, here also base can be any side of parallelogram. Okay, so you can see here four sides are there, so any one side from the four side will be the base. How you will decide which one will is base? Suppose you have drawn a parallelogram. Suppose you have drawn height like this, so you can see this height is drawn on this side. Okay, then this will called as base and this will be the height. Okay, suppose I have drawn a parallelogram again. Now this time height is drawn on this side. Height is drawn on this side, then this side will called as base and this will be the height. Now again see, suppose I have drawn again one rhombus, then this time height is drawn on this side, then this will called as base, this will be the height. Again draw a parallelogram. Okay, this time I have drawn height on this side, then this will called as base and this will be the height. So see here, I hope you have understood the concept related to the base and height. Okay, this will be helpful for calculating the area of parallelogram. So you can see here how you will calculate the area of parallelogram, base into corresponding height. Okay, so see here how you will calculate area of triangle and area of parallelogram. Okay, now we will learn how you will calculate the area of rectangle. Okay, so here I am going to erase. I hope you have noted down. Okay, now see, area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Now you can see rectangle, as you know that rectangle is also a parallelogram. Rectangle is also a parallelogram. Okay, in which all angles are 90 degree. All angles are 90. This is length, this is breadth. And if one side is two sides make 90 degree angle, then one will be the base and one will be the height. Okay, so here no we do not need uh, any height will be made. Okay, so see here, this is length and breadth. Then area of rectangle can be calculated as length into breadth. So LB will be the area of rectangle. Okay, now let us see the area of square. Area of square. Area of square. You can see in this all sides are equal, as you know that. Second thing, all angles are 90 degree, all angles are 90 degree, then one side will be the height and one side will be the base. So here what we will write, side into side will be the area, means a into a square, sq unit. So see here, in this way you will calculate the area of square. Now let us talk about the rhombus. What? Rhombus. This was square. Now as you know that ki rhombus is also a parallelogram. Rhombus is also a parallelogram. Then area of rhombus is equal to area of parallelogram. Area of rhombus is equal to area of parallelogram. Parallelogram can be written like this also, parallel line and GM. Now another formula is there. Suppose you have drawn two diagonal here. Suppose one is D1, second one is D2. Then area of parallelogram can be written as half into D1 into D2. Means by taking half of product of diagonal, you can find the area of rhombus. So see here how you will find the area of rhombus here. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now let us discuss the area of trapezium. As you know that the trapezium is also a type of quadrilateral. Okay, so let us see. Now see here, area of trapezium. Area of trapezium. Okay, so as you know that the trapezium figure is like this. You can see here, in which any one pair of opposite sides is parallel. Suppose here we have made AB is parallel to DC. Suppose this is indicated by A and this is indicated by B. Okay, and distance between means height. Distance between A and B is H or D. H or D can be represented. Then area of trapezium can be calculated as half into sum of parallel side into distance between them. Now see, half into sum of parallel side means this is this A and B are parallel side. Then here you will write A plus B, and distance between them means D. Then this will be the formula for the calculating the area of trapezium. Okay. Now see here, trapezium can be made by like this also. Okay, so this A, B is parallel side, and this is distance between them. Then by using the you can calculate area of trapezium of this type of figure also by same formula. Okay, half into sum of parallel side into distance between them. Okay, so I hope you have understood how you will calculate the area of trapezium. Now let us see the area of circle. So how you will calculate the area of circle? Let us see. I hope you have noted down here. I am erasing. Okay, now see. Now we will learn area of circle. Area of circle. Now see, area of circle is calculated by pi r square in terms of radius, or you can write pi d square upon 4, because r is what? D upon 2, and when you will put here d upon 2, then d square upon 4 will be come. Okay, so in this way you will calculate the area of circle. And area of semicircle. Semicircle means half of circle. Half of circle area means pi square upon 2, or you can write pi d square upon 2 into 4. pi d square upon 8 you can write. So see here, as you know that what is the value of pi here. Yeah, I have already explained in the term in perimeter of circle. Okay, so see here, note down this formula. I hope you have understood how you will calculate the area, concept related to the area, what is area, and how you will calculate the area of a polygon or circle. Okay, so see here, now let us see, now let us talk about the volume. So for discussing the volume, I am going to erase here. I hope you have noted down. Okay, now see, now we talk about volume. See, volume, volume is what? Capacity of solid figure. What? Capacity of solid figure to hold something, to hold something. Okay, to hold something. Now here we have to learn what is solid figure. Solid figure, solid figure is also called as, called as 3D figure. 3D figure. Suppose, for example, cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere, hemisphere. Okay. Solid figure is also called as 3D figure, and 3D figure can be understand, can be understand properly by 3D geometry. 3D geometry, and this you will learn in higher classes. This you will learn in higher classes, but here you will learn some basic things related to the cuboid, as you will learn how, what is the what is the shape of cube and cuboid, cylinder. Okay, and how many edges are there, how many vertices are there, how many faces are there, surfaces are there, how you will calculate the surface area of there. Okay, how you will calculate volume. So let us see, let us start from the cube. Let us start from the cube. So see here, you can see on the board, this is the shape of cube, in which all edge will be, all edge will be same. A will be. Okay, all edge will be same here. Now you can see in cube, in cube 12 edges are there. 12 12 edges are there. 12 edges can be called as 12 sides. Okay, 8 vertices are there. 8 vertices are there. Vertices means corner, corner where two or more sides meets. Okay, so as we okay, so 8 vertices means corner where two or more sides meets, two or more. So you can see here, this is, this one is corner. Okay, and this one are the edges. And now we talk about face. So there are 6 faces are there, and face is what? Square shape. In cube there will be 6 faces are there, and shape of face will be the square one. Okay, now here we will learn first total surface area. Total surface area. So see here, face can be written also as, called as surface. Okay, face is also called as surface. So there are 6 surface will be, and surface will be of square shape. Now here we will talk about total surface area of cube. So now you can see here face of cube is what? Square shape. Okay, and you know the area of square is what? A square. Okay, means side into side. Now here six face are there. Here six face are there, means six surface are there. So what we will do? We will add four area here. So this can be a square plus 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 a square. So you can see here six surface are there and six surface are of square shape, and area of square is a square. Then we will add a square six times. Then what you will get here? 6a square, means this can be written as 6 into area of square. 6 into area of square. Okay, so total surface of cube, surface area of cube will be 6 into area of square. Now here we will talk about the lateral surfaces. Now, also see here TSA can be written as TSA also. TSA also. Now see lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. Lateral surface area can be also written as LSA in short form. Now lateral surface area means we have to find the area of all around of us. Around of us. Okay, means we have to left the upper area and lower area. We have to leave upper area and lower area. When you when you will leave the upper area and lower area, it means you are removing two area from upside and downside. It means we have to calculate here four surface area. Okay, four surface area that can be calculated as a square plus a square plus a square, means we have to calculate four surface area. Then this can be written as 4a square or 4 into area of square, and this is also called as area of four wall also. Four wall also. Suppose your room is in the shape of cube. Okay, your room is in the shape of cube, and you have to find the area of four walls of your room. Then how you will calculate? In this way you will calculate. Okay, and cube example is what? Dice or color cube. Color cube. So see here, in this way you will calculate the lateral surface area. Now we will talk about volume. So as we have learned, volume is what? Capacity of solid figure to hold something. Okay, now then volume will be what? Then volume will be of cube. So as you know that the volume is defined as base area into height. Volume volume is defined as base area into height. So you can see here, if you see this cube, then this part is as what? This is base, and base area is a into a, and height is what? Suppose this is height. Okay, this is length and this is breadth. Then a into a means you have to multiply. Then base area is a square because it is the shape of square, and height is what? A. Then what will come? A cube will be there. What? A cube will be there, or this can be written as edge cube or side cube. Side cube. Okay, or then volume of cube. Volume of cube will be cube of h. So see here, in this way you will find the volume of cube. Okay, I hope you have understood formula related to the cube. Okay, now let us see about the cuboid. So for making you understand about the cuboid, I have to erase. I hope you have noted down. Okay, now let us see about the cuboid. Cuboid is what? Cuboid is also a solid figure in which opposite faces are same. In this, opposite faces are same. Okay. Suppose you are standing in room, then face of ceiling and face of floor will be same. Face of wall on the right hand side and wall on the left hand side will be same, and face of wall in the front of you and back of you will be same. So here you can see cuboid is what? Opposite faces will be same. Now again here how many edge will be? Again 12 will be edge. Vertex will be same as in the cube. Vertices. Vertices is the plural word and vertex is the singular word. 8 and face. Again face means surface. Again face will be 6 will be. Okay. But opposite face will be same. Now suppose this is L, this is B and this is H. Then how you will calculate the TSA? Means total surface area of cuboid. Then again you can see uh, upside surface area and lower side surface area will be same, means LB plus LB will be, means two area will be LB and side will be what? LH will be. See here, this is what? BH, means 2 BH you will take, this side BH, this side BH, and this one LH and back side LH. LH plus LH. Now when you will add, what will come? 2 LB will come here, 2 BH will come, 2 LH will come. Then when you will take 2 common, then LB plus BH plus LH will come here. Okay. So TSA of cuboid can be calculated as 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Now LSA means lateral surface area of cuboid. Lateral surface area of cuboid can be calculated as you know, lateral surface area means you have to remove upside area and lower side area. Means you have to remove 2 LB. Upside area is LB and lower side area is LB. It means you have to remove LB from the TSA. When you will remove LB from the TSA, then you will get BH plus BH plus LH plus LH. It means 2 BH will come and 2 LH will come. Then you can see here 2H is common, then take 2H is common and bracket L plus B will be. Okay. And this is also called as area of 4 wall. Area of 4 wall, and you can write this as also, this can be written as H into 2L plus B. 2L plus B. As you know that the 2L plus B is what? Perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle into height. Into height. So you can see here, lateral surface area of cuboid can be written as perimeter of rectangle into height. Okay, so see here in this way you will calculate. Okay, LSA of cuboid. Now let us talk about the volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid. So as you know that the volume of cuboid can be written as, again, base area into height. Base area into height. Now see, base area is what? LB will be the base area and height, then what will come? LBH. Then volume of cuboid will be LBH. So see here how you will tell about that, how you will calculate the TSA of cuboid, LSA of cuboid and volume of cuboid. Now let us talk about the cylinder. So for writing the formulas of cylinder, I have to erase. I hope you have noted down. Okay, now see the cylinder. Cylinder is of the shape of like this. You can see here, in which base is, this one can be base, this one can be base, and base is what? Circle. Okay, and circle have radius and area pi r square, and this is height of cylinder. This is height of cylinder. Okay, now you can see here it have three face. It have three face, in which two is flat one and one is curved. One is curved face. Okay, so you can see one is curved. So you can you have a bottle in the shape of rectangular. You can see here, suppose, see here, this is the shape of cylinder. Okay, so you can see here, this face is what? Curved face. Okay, and this face is what? Flat, and this one is flat. It means two flat face will be there and one curved surface will be there. Okay, then we will calculate here first of all TSA. So first of all we will calculate here CSA. CSA is also called as curved surface area. Curved surface area. Okay, means whatever curve will be there, then we have to find the area of that. Then curved surface area is given as 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. As you know that the circumference of circle is 2 pi r, 2 pi r, and L is, H is height. Then 2 pi RH can be written as curved surface area. Okay, now total surface area TSA, TSA of cylinder is equal to CSA plus base area. CSA plus base area. So you can see here two base are there. Then CSA will be there. Then pi r is 2 pi RH, pi r square, pi r square. When you will add, what you will get? 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. When you will take 2 pi r common, then in bracket H plus R will be. So see here, this will be the TSA of cylinder, 2 pi r into H plus R. In this way you will calculate the TSA of cylinder. Now talk about volume. Volume, as you know, base, volume of cylinder we are talking, base area into height. Base area into height. Now see, base area is what? Circle. Pi r square, height is what? H. Then this can be written as pi r square H. So see here, in this way you will write the volume of cylinder also. Okay, now let us talk about the cone. Now let us talk about the cone. So see here, this is cone, this is called slant height, this is called radius, and this is radius, this is height. Okay, so as you have eat the cone ice cream, so cone shape, cone ice cream means that whatever cone you have used, this is the shape of cone. Okay, now in this, two face are there. Two face means two surface are there. One is flat and one is curved. One is curved. So you can see here, round one is curved one, and bottom is flat, and bottom is pi r. Now see, CSA of cone. CSA of cone. One thing also I would like to tell you, CSA is also called as lateral surface area. Okay, don't forget. Suppose in any question it is given like a lateral surface area of cylinder or cone. Is this one? So don't confuse. Same thing is okay. CSA and LSE same. Now CSA of cone can be written as pi RL. What? Pi RL. Okay. And where L is slant height, where L is slant height, and H is height. H is height, R is radius, Then L can be written as h square plus r square root. Okay, or you can write L square is equal to h square plus r square will be. You can see this figure is making right angle triangle in which L is hypotenuse, h and r is what? Perpendicular or base. And according to Pythagoras theorem, you can write L square is equal to h square plus r square. Suppose that h and r is given, you can find L by using this formula. If L and h is given, then you can find r, and if r and lh is given, then you can find h. So see here, CSA of cone will be what? Pi RL. Okay. Now, for writing the TSA, I have to erase. I hope you have noted down here. Okay, now see TSA of cone. TSA of cone is what? CSA plus base area plus base area. Now see, CSA is what? Pi RL. Base area is what? Pi r square. Then, if you will take pi r common, then L plus R will be there. Then this is TSA of cone will be. Okay. Now we talk about volume. Volume of cone. Volume of cone is written as base area into height. Base area into height. Okay. Here cone will be 1 upon, sorry, here it can be written as 1 upon 3. Okay. Why 1 upon 3? Suppose you have drawn a cylinder, and if you take out cone from the cylinder, then you will get the 1/3 part of the cylinder. So see here, here you can write 1/3 part of volume of cylinder also you can write. So you had learned the volume of cylinder, what is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So see here, this will be 1 upon 3 pi r square will be the volume of cone. Okay, so see here, in this way you will calculate the volume of cone, okay, by using volume of cone formula. I hope you have understood. Okay, so see here, CSA, TSA and volume of cone. Now let us talk about the sphere and hemisphere. So for writing the formula, I have to erase. I hope you have noted down. Okay, now see, sphere can be any ball or football. Okay, now it have only one surface, that is round. Okay, and it have only surface area, no TSA or CSA will be, and surface area will be 4 into area of circle. Area of circle. 4 area of circle. Okay. So if you take any thread and you cover, suppose you draw 4 circle of same radius, whose radius is r. Okay. Suppose now if you take any thread and cover all circle by thread, okay, like this, then whatever length you will get the thread, then you will cover that sphere, means that ball, with thread. Then you will see that the 4 area of circle will be equal to surface area of hemisphere. So here what you will write, 4 pi r square you will write. Okay. And if we talk about volume, volume of sphere is given as 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay, so see, this is the volume of sphere and surface area. Now let us talk about the hemisphere. So see here, this is hemisphere. 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 Hemisphere is also what? Half of sphere. Half of sphere. Half of sphere. So here again two face are there. Two surface or face you can say. This one face and this one means one flat and one curve. Then CSA of hemisphere. Curved surface area of hemisphere will be what? 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square means half of hemisphere. Half of hemisphere. Okay. And if you talk about TSA, TSA of hemisphere will be what? 3 pi r square. How 3 pi r square is there? See, one is 2 pi r square and one is this one pi r square means 3 pi r square will come. And if you talk about volume of hemisphere, then that will be the 2 upon 3 means half of sphere means 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Pi r cube. So here this will be the volume of hemisphere. Okay. So I hope you have understood all the formula related to the perimeter, area, volume, surface area. Okay. I hope you have understood all the figure also. Okay. One thing also I would like to tell you that key, as you had told you that key, this is solid figure. Okay. And one is plane figure. I have told you about the solid figure, and plane figure is what? Plane figure is what? 2D figure. 2D figure, for example, polygon, circle. These are the plane figure that you had learned, and these cuboid, cylinder, sphere, hemisphere are the solid figure. Okay, so I hope you have understood how what is plane figure and solid figure, what is perimeter, area, surface area, volume related to. Okay, now if you have liked the video, then share and subscribe it, and if you have any query, then comment in my comment box, and if you are facing any doubt in question, so take pic of that question, send to me on my WhatsApp number. What I'll do, I'll make video of that question to clear your doubt. So till now, have a nice day, goodbye, and wait for the next video. In next video, we will discuss question related to the surface area, volume, or mensuration chapter. Okay. Okay. Till now, have a nice day, goodbye.